Zamfara people, of the greatest Zamfara people, of the greatest person, good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the press. Wow. We are the APC Al-Qaeda Forum, a social political pressure group headquartered in Kaduna State. We have lodged a petition at the headquarters of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, on the 3rd of May 2024, urging the Commission to proceed with its investigation of the former governor of Zamfara State, Bello Matawalle. We have lauded the performance and resilience of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, leadership in its fight against corruption without bias many times. The Commission have shown determination and persistence in addressing corrupt officials, particularly by promptly taking action against former Minister Betta Edu and others. We have witnessed the Commission launch an investigation into alleged corruption of former Governor Yaya Bello of Kogi State. Last Friday, the Commission arrested former Governor Dairus Ishaku of Taraba State over alleged corruption. If all those former governors and ministers were not above the law and EFCC, who would shed the former governor of Zamfara State from investigation? It's just a question we are asking. We have gathered here with facts and figure regarding Bello Matawalle alleged embezzlement of billions of naira. He reportedly needs to account for over 290 billion from FAC and 133 billion from Jack that he received from 2019 to 2023. Additionally, he is also expected to explain the 105 billion loan he took during his tenure as the governor of Zamfara State. These are not mere allegations or speculations. After our last visit to the Commission headquarters, we thought the investigation would be reopened, but nothing has been reopened. We are confident that the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, has access to all the facts regarding financial crime in the country. Nevertheless, we feel it is necessary to determine the total fund that the Zamfara State government received between 2019 and 2023 under Bello Matawalle. We are taking this effort because, to our dismay, the former governor appeared on a live TV program misleading the public that he did not receive anything close to 70 billion naira during the 4 years tenure as governor of Zamfara State. And it's a lie. The fact below contradicts Bello Matawalle's statement, and the EFCC should, with immediate effect, investigate him to account for the form. And here with us, we have all the evidence, the figures, and everything here, which we are also going to be submitting here today at the headquarters of the EFCC. Thank you very much. Of the greatest Zamfara people. Of the greatest Zamfara people. Of the greatest. Of the greatest Zamfara people. Thank you.
Hey, come on, pass now.
Shall we stay here also? Stay next week. Not tell you what happened in this case.
So, is it all about
Makes sense, it makes sense.
why you got more? Why you got more? Yeah,
Mohammed.
huh?